Under the law, when you're injured on a hotel property, that falls under the category of what we describe as premises liability cases. And it's really no different than if you fell in a supermarket or even if you fell in a private residence, or apartment building. The same law of general negligence applies. So you must prove in a hotel case that the hotel had a dangerous condition of their property. But the kicker is you have to be able to prove that they either knew about that problem and didn't fix it, or that they should have known about it but had such a bad maintenance program that they failed to detect this problem and protect their patrons from it. Now, if you have an injury, especially in a hotel environment, your medical bills are usually covered under medical payments coverage. So most hotels maintain at least some level of free insurance available to you if you're injured on the property, even if you can't prove negligence, just merely by the fact that you got hurt on their property. They will sometimes provide up to $2,000, $5,000 or so in medical payments coverage. So always check for that. If you do have an accident in a hotel, then be sure to get any evidence that you can by way of photographs of the condition that caused you to fall, names of any witnesses, and if, by all means, if you give any statement or file a report, get a copy of that and take that with you so that we can look at it if you ever retain us or any attorney to assist you in the case. In hotel cases, there's obviously a variety of ways people get hurt. More commonly in outdoor areas, like especially around pool decks where people slip and fall. But it can also be in the room itself where there's a slippery shower or bathtub, inadequate handrails, the floor's way too slippery, things like that that can contribute to an accident. And it's important that this condition can be verified and checked as soon as possible. So if you do have a serious injury, you want to let a lawyer know right away so we can arrange to do various testing. They call it coefficient of friction testing to see how slippery a surface is and whether it falls below the standard for hotels.